Welcome to our latest educational guide, where we'll delve into the seamless Tron token swaps using WalletConnect. In today's fast-paced digital economy, understanding the mechanics behind swapping Tron tokens can amplify your crypto experience and open doors to an array of investment possibilities. So let's get started. WalletConnect is a revolutionary tool enabling users to connect their wallets securely to a multitude of dApps and trading platforms. In this tutorial, we'll navigate you through the process of swapping Tron-based assets and tell how this robust protocol enhances accessibility and convenience in the crypto space. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or an eager newcomer, this guide will provide essential insights into making your Tron token swaps seamlessly and securely. Go to the Symbiosis application and connect your EVM wallet to it. As a second wallet, please connect your TrustWallet. To do this, go to the Connect Wallet tab and connect the second wallet. Then, switch to the Tron tab and select WalletConnect. Scan the QR code in the TrustWallet. After successfully connecting your wallet, choose the sending network and token. Choose the token on Tron you would like to receive, and our system will find the best exchange rates for you. Enter the amount you want to exchange. But remember, when exchanging for the Tron network, you must have TRX on the strong network to pay the network commission. Press the swap button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations! Your exchange has been successfully completed.